In the continuation of the starting file menu, we come to the export option. We can have different output of our PowerPoint after the design by the options of the export section. That there are 5 sections here that we are going to talk about each in detail and study all the options. The first option is a create PDF or XPS document, that by the help of this option you can export your PowerPoint file into PDF after design. Maybe you want to share your slides on a web or give it to somebody. If you want to be comfortable about changes of data and design settings for pictures, layouts, text, fonts, and etc. of your file, you can share the PDF file of your PowerPoint. To do this, you can click on Create PDF XPS. But before doing this, I highly recommended you to click on Investigate Accessibility option, and as I explained previously, you can correct the mistakes of your file in the errors section, and then from the file menu and export section, export your PowerPoint file as PDF. Well, I click on Create PDF XPS in order to open the related window. In the Publish as a PDF or XPS, first of all, we can determine the saving location of our PDF. In the File Name section, we can give a name for it, and in Save as Type section, we determine that we want to save our slides as PDF or XPS, that here I select PDF. And in this part, if I click and check Open File after publishing, you can see the PDF view of your file after saving. There are 2 sections in Optimize for. The first option is Standard Mode, that is used for sharing on the web, and also it prepares your file for printing. And the quality and size of it is high in comparison to the second option. The next option, which is minimize size, that it will change your file to PDF with less size. The second option will be suitable when you want to share your file on the internet. You can use one of these 2 options based on your need. And for more settings, you can click on options that this window opens for you. In the Arrange section, you can determine that which slides export into PDF. If you click on all the slides will change to PDF. If you select the current slide, it will make a PDF file from the selected slides. And if you have any range for the slides that you want to make a PDF file of them, you can click on the slides and you can determine the range into the Form 2 section. For example, I want to export slide 1 to 4 to PDF, that I can select the range here. And in the Publish What section, you can determine that which parts of the slides you want to export to the PDF. If you want to export the slides to PDF, select the Slides option, but if you want to export the notes of your slides to PDF, you can select Notes Pages. Based on your needs, you can choose one of these options. And if you click on the frame slides, the slides will have a frame around them in the PDF file. And if you want to export the hidden slides to PDF, you can click on the Include Hidden Slides. Also, if you like to export the comments in the slides to PDF, you can click on Include Comments. That based on your need, you can choose one of these options. I click on OK in this window, and then I click on Publish. As you see, the slides which I determined for slides now are PDF, and I can see the PDF output of my PowerPoint slides. Now we're back to the File menu and Export and create a video section. In this section, you can see the settings when you want to have a video output of your PowerPoint slides. Maybe you have a motion graphic in your slides, or you have designed a GIF file and you want to have a video of your design. You can regulate the setting of this here. In the first menu, you can determine the quality of your video that you want it to be 4K, 1080 pixel, 720 pixel, or 480 pixel, that you can choose these with considering that where do you want to play the video. For example, if you want to share the motion graphic of your work in the social networking, that your audiences will see the designed motion graphic which is designed by you in their cell phones, the suitable option will be 480 pixel. But if you want to export it with a very high quality and you want to show it in a bigger screen, you can use 4K, 1080 and even 720. That you can choose one of the based on your needs. In the second menu, the thing that you can do is whether you want to export with timing that you have done in the file about animations, transitions, and narrations that you have saved in the motion graphic file. It is better to choose use recorded timings and narrations. Or you won't like this happen, select don't use recorded timings and narrations. If you use the don't use recorded timing and narrations option, the setting that you have regulated here, it will export your file to video. That I recommend you to select the use recorded timings and narrations option, that the output be based on the settings you have regulated. And as I said, if you select the don't use the recorded timing and narration, it will export your file based on the thing you regulate here. As an example, you have one slide in the PowerPoint that you design GIF, and based on the number that you regulate here, the duration of your video will be that much. For example, here by default it is 5 seconds, so the duration of the video will be 5 seconds. And then by clicking on the create video, the video output will be ready. If you wait a while, and as you saw, you will have more options and you will have access to more settings. For example, the file as a video from file menu and export part and create a video section, that save it from file menu and save as section, and in save as type, if you select the video option, in this way you will not have access to more setting and it will export it with the default settings that have been regulated by the PowerPoint. And the next option in the export section is a package presentation for CD. That the thing you can do by the help of this option is that it can change the PowerPoint file as a package and you can write it on CDs, and which your presentation file will be played in each computers without facing with problems, because it embeds the sounds, phones, files and videos that you used, and your file will be played without any problems. And I click on package to CD to open the related setting window. In the name the city section, you can write a name and all the files that are here will write in the CD. You can add more files with clicking on add option, and the sequence of the playing will be the same that you have here. And by the help of these keys, you can change the sequence of the PowerPoint file. If you want to delete a file, you can select it and click on the remove option. For more settings, I click on the option. In the option, if you don't want to add your personal information and hidden data in this package, you can click on Inspect Presentation to avoid adding your personal files and data in the package. And also in the password section, you can create a password for the opening and editing of the PowerPoint. One password for opening, the other is for editing. If you need, and then click on OK. Well, I close the window, and if you want to copy the package on CD, if you have a CD in the CD driver, you can click on the copy to CD, and if you want to save the package in a folder, click on the copy to folder and do the packaging process. And in the Create Handout section, it will prepare your PowerPoint file for print or for supplement, and if you click on the Create Handout, the Word software will open for you and the content of the PowerPoint will be in the Word. Now, what are the settings? It says that choose your layout, that you want the notes be next to your slides, or you want to have blank lines next to slides, click on second option. The third option says that notes be below the slides. The fourth says to add blank lines below the slides for summary, or you want outline view, you can choose the one that you like and then click on OK. It will be opened in the Word file in this way, and you can change it here and save your work as a supplement or send it to print. Be back to PowerPoint software, and by clicking on the close option, that is after export option, you close your PowerPoint file. In the continuation, we will study other section of file menu.